We've been designing and building premium surface finishing equipment for nearly 13 years. From wet blasting, sandblasting, and parts washers, we serve hobbyists, commercial shops, and industrial operations alike. So what makes us different? Or I should say, what sets us apart from our competition? In this video, we're breaking down exactly why VHT is the leading name in surface finishing equipment across the United States. Number 1, we are the leading pioneers in surface finishing innovations. Vapor Honing Technologies is not a typical blasting equipment manufacturer. We specialize in the design and production of precision-engineered wet blasting, sandblasting, and parts washing systems, tailored for consistent, high-performance surface finishing. Our team sets the standard in the surface finishing industry by delivering innovative designs and application-specific solutions that exceed the capabilities of conventional wet and dry blasting systems. Each machine is engineered for durability and performance, featuring stainless steel construction, sealed bearings, and high-precision components. We've also developed advanced automated wet blasting systems, such as the RoboIQ and AutoFinish, that offer intuitive operation without the need for complex programming, streamlining production, and reducing operator training time. Number 2, we offer a lifetime warranty for our wet blasting and parts washing machines. Vapor Honing Technologies is the only manufacturer in the industry to offer a lifetime warranty on our wet blasting systems, excluding the micro vapor hone. This warranty reflects our commitment to long-term equipment performance and customer support. It covers all non-wear components, ensuring peace of mind and ongoing reliability throughout the life of your machine. As an industry leader, we take pride in supporting our customers beyond the point of sale. To learn more about our warranty coverage and machine offerings, visit our website at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. And number 3, we offer a trade-in program. At Vapor Honing Technologies, we understand that beginning with a right-size equipment is often the most strategic path forward. That's why we offer the trade-in program, which is designed to make scaling up seamless. So when you're ready to upgrade, we'll apply 100% of your original purchase towards a larger system, provided that your original machine has been properly maintained and exhibits only standard wear and tear. This ensures you retain the full value of your initial investment with no depreciation. If you want to learn more about the trade-in program, that video will be right here. So there you have it. Those are the 3 main things that set us apart from our competitors. If you have any more questions about VHT, wet blasting, sandblasting, and parts washing, you can call us at 828-202-5563. We have an excellent sales team that's here for your troubleshooting and customer support 24/7. So remember to call them at 828-202-5563. We also have a website. It's www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. At the website, you'll find information about the machines that we carry, logs, about abrasives, about the process. We also offer a free application testing to all of our customers, so definitely take advantage of that. I'm John, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.